This is the Toggle Clamp Force Interactive Calculator, which calculates the output clamping force based on your toggle clamp's geometry and applied input force. First, select your unit system from the drop-down menu. You can choose either metric with newtons and millimeters or imperial with pounds force and inches. For this demonstration, I'm using metric. Now enter your 4 input parameters. Input force fin is the force you apply to the handle. Handle length LH is the distance from the pivot to where you apply force. Clamp arm length LC is the distance from the pivot to the clamping point, and toggle angle theta is the angle in degrees between the toggle links. Let's work through an example. I'll enter 10 newtons for input force, 10 millimeters for handle length, 10 millimeters for clamp arm length, and 10 degrees for toggle angle. Click Calculate. The calculator gives us 3 results. Clamp force is 1.74 newtons. This is the actual clamping force at your workpiece. Mechanical advantage is 0.174, showing the force ratio. Force multiplication is 0.17x, meaning the output force is actually reduced in this configuration. Find the link in the description below.